So, last Sunday, we told you we were still waiting for our tiny house to be ready. This Labor Day week went nothing like we expected. Labor Day morning started like any other day. We made coffee, took the girls for a walk, ran into other morning walkers, runners, and dog walkers, stopping to chat about the status of our house and when we think we'd get to move in. We love these times, and this is the reason we joke about going out for a 30-minute walk and coming back 2 hours later. When visiting with one neighbor, who we regularly visit with on his porch, we saw the construction company work truck drive by. One of the workers, who recognized Brian, gave us a thumbs up as they drove by. Two crews showed up and knocked out both sets of stairs in one day. We couldn't believe it. It was Labor Day. Got our stairs going in today. Stairs and railing. One on the front up there, and this big one on the back. It's been a big day. The back stairs will be our main entry point and will take you into our living area. The front stairs will feed into our carport when it eventually arrives. Okay, we just got the word that the electric company is heading to our lot, so me and the girls are heading over there because Brian had to go to Dallas this morning, so let's hope we're getting electric today. Tuesday brought the electric company right on schedule. Woohoo! When we had to reschedule the meter install, the customer service person made it sound like there was a possibility that the work order would be put in, but that they had 7 to 10 days to complete the work. We were relieved that they were able to get it done on the date requested and not have any additional delays. Later that day, the propane was connected and the tankless hot water heater lit and lines flushed. Yay! Wednesday, internet installation. Hallelujah! Welcome back.
And walking back.
And walking back. We have internet.
We have internet.
Yay!
We have water. We have electricity. We have deck. We have stairs. We have
Propane.
Screen door with a hole in it. We have
Propane.
We have
And internet.
We have hopefully a walk through Friday.
Yes.
And that's it.
And what now?
Homeward bound.
Homeward bound. Tiny tail bound.
Tiny tail bound.
Okay. And then Lowe's.
Lowe's.
After weeks of maybe it will happen this week, suddenly everything was falling into place. We celebrated after that trip to Lowe's with lunch at Snuffers, the restaurant where we first met in January 1992. This was a different location, but it felt right to mark this moment where our story began. Thursday was the most difficult day of the week. We knew utilities had been tested, but we still didn't know the answer to the only question that really mattered. Would Friday actually be orientation day? Would we finally get our keys? Could this be the final week in the rental using 3 TV trays as a desk? We wouldn't know the answer until Friday morning.
On our way.
Wait, I wasn't ready.
Oh.
Okay.
It's here.
It's here.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Orientation.
We're going to orientation and hopefully to get the keys.
Maybe key. I don't know.
After our 45-minute orientation, we had keys. Finally! Actual keys to our actual house, not keys to a model, not keys to a rental, but to a house that's paid for and that we own. 76 days of being in the tiny rental, and is our first time driving into the community as residents. We're home. Welcome to our official tiny home tour. We'll start on the front porch. We won't use this as our main entry. This will be a secondary entry once our carport, storage building, and walkway to the back entry, the main entry, are complete. We're coming into what's supposed to be the bedroom, but we decided after sleeping on a queen-size bed with 2 dogs and a cat for 76 days that we needed a king. For that reason, we felt using this downstairs bedroom as our office was the best use of space, and that we'd sleep in the loft instead. We shared a 3-inch dilemma with our newsletter subscribers this week. Here's that space where our washer and dryer will go. It's the one area where we struggled to go tiny. We're going to squeeze in a regular size washer and dryer that will overflow its designated space rather than spend time at the laundromat and have a perfect fit. Here's a place we were able to work in some extra storage. 4 of our stairs up to the loft include drawers that will come in handy. Up here in the loft is where we'll actually sleep on our king size bed, where we can spread out and sleep comfortably with all the animals. The kitchen is compact, but has everything we need. A full-size fridge and freezer. Across from the refrigerator is the bathroom. It feels pretty spacious for a tiny house and has everything we need. We opted for a tankless hot water heater to save space and to make sure there's always plenty of hot water after an experience with the tiny rental and a cold shower. There's even a surprise medicine cabinet behind the mirror.
Hello there.
Coming back out into the kitchen, we have our gas cooktop. No oven, we opted to have extra cabinets instead. And then our combo microwave, air fryer, convection oven. Farmhouse sink. We opted not to have a dishwasher, again, just for extra storage. And we got the accessories with the sink. And this is a view of the living room and our back deck out the French doors. We also got this movable island for additional workspace and additional storage. This model is supposed to have the loft all the way across over the kitchen, but we wanted the high ceilings in the kitchen, so we modified that. And then coming across from the living room onto our back deck, our back porch screened in with fireplace, our view of the green belt, and then our outside platform deck that we added on. This will be our main entry where we can put some chairs and our grill and sit out here in the unscreened area as well. Sitting on our porch, looking in through our French doors, the waiting was worth it. It's just as we imagined it would be. It's finally here! The downsizing represents a 72% reduction in our housing costs and the freedom to redesign our lives again. Next week, we'll show you what it's actually like to start moving your downsized life into 399 square feet. The reality of where everything goes, and probably some problem solving in real time. What would you prioritize moving in first? Let us know in the comments. If you'd like to follow along with the behind-the-scenes reality, our Tuesday newsletter gives subscribers details that don't make it into these videos. The link is in the description. Thanks for being part of this journey with us. We'll see you next week when we show you the beautiful chaos of actually moving into a tiny house.